We sell a residential fall protection kit, and we get asked all the time, how do you set this up? And what we often advocate, because there aren't anchors, sufficient anchors on a residential building, what we advocate is what's called a ground tie or ground rig. And all the components come in the kit, but the first thing that we would have on the front of the house is a reese hitch on the vehicle. We would attach that reese hitch on the vehicle, lock out, tag out some way on the truck so that it can't be driven off accidentally. We're going to take our rope, 200-foot rope, and we're going to take it over the house. Now, if it's a real steep house, we have what's called a throw bag and throw line inside the kit. So you launch the throw bag with the little thin line on it, you bring the big rope back over, and now that connects from one side of the house to the other. Also included in the kit is 2 ground anchors. Now, if on the other side of the house there's something substantial, a tree, a solid deck post and concrete, something that is substantial on the other side, by all means, tie to it. It shouldn't be a little tree, but it should be a big tree if it's back here. If there's nothing back there, and oftentimes there is on a residential home, we've provided these ground anchors for you. They go into the ground with an impact gun. Your soil is going to matter. It shouldn't be the first choice, but if there's nothing else. Also, we give you 2 of them so that you can put them in position and do a Y-rig off of the 2 ground ties with no more than a 30-degree angle connecting to this side of the rope. What that's going to do is evenly distribute weight to both of these instead of just one. So our ground anchors are here. Now our rope is across. Now you simply attach your rope grab and you go back and forth on the line. This ridge, if we have to change over to go to different sides, simply sit down on the ridge, change your rope grab around, and go to the other side that you need to. Now, you might be looking at this saying, okay, I get that, but I need to go this direction. Well, that's fine. What we can do here, now this doesn't come in the kit, but you can certainly rig another rope. You can tie an alpine butterfly at the center of the peak here, and now you can put in a 25-foot or a 50-foot line off of that alpine butterfly to make sure that you can access other areas of the roof. I hope this explains our residential roof kit.